Electrical installation of one LED bulb. Controlled by two three-way switch. Step 1. Prepare all the materials and tools needed. Step 2. Connect the neutral wire from the terminal of the circuit breaker to the neutral terminal of the lamp holder at the back of the threaded part. Step 3. Connect the live wire from the terminal of the circuit breaker to the zero terminal of the three-way switch. Step 4. Connect the first traveler wire from terminal 1 of the first three-way switch to the terminal 1 of the second three-way switch. Step 5. Connect the second traveler wire from terminal 3 of the first three-way switch to the terminal 3 of the second three-way switch. Step 6. Connect the return wire from the zero terminal of the second three-way switch to the live terminal of the lamp holder. Perform housekeeping. Energize the circuit. Turn on the circuit breaker. Turn on the first three-way switch and turn off the second three-way switch. Turn on the second three-way switch, then turn off the first three-way switch. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.